Bonjour tout le monde, comment allez-vous? C'est Sukma et bienvenue dans ma classe de français. In this channel, I will teach you how to speak and pronounce correctly in French, and maybe a little bit knowledge about French language and culture. So let's start notre apprentissage. Today I will teach you how to pronounce l'alphabet en français, or alphabet in French. I hope you listen to me and try it at your own. Let's go. Bon, on commence. L'alphabet en français consists with 26 letters of alphabet. There are 6 vowel or 6 voyelles and 20 consonants. The 6 vowel, there are A, I, U, E, O, and Y. Or in English is Y. And the rest is a consonant. D'accord, on commence. Le premier c'est A. A. You can try to pronounce these letters just like Indonesian, A. And then we have B and C. B and C. So different with Indonesian or English. In French we call it C. Indonesian is C and English is C. So in French we call it C. And then we have D. D. Next one is E. E. It's not A but E. Go on, we have F. F. You have to speak softly. F. F. And then we have G. You have to pull out your mouth. G. G. And then we have H. H. Okay then. We have H. Voila. Okay, next one. Bon après, we have I, J, and K. I, J, and K. I, J, K. I, J, and K. Next one, we have L, M, N. L, M, N. Ensuite, we have O, P, and Q. O, P, Q. Try it at your own. O, P, Q. Next one, we have R, S, T. R, S, T. Try to pronounce R. R. You have to hold in your throat. R. R, S, T. Alors, U, V, I, W. U, V, I, W. To pronounce U correctly, you have to put your index finger in front of your mouth and try to pronounce U until your lips touch your index finger. U, U, like that. Okay? Next one, we have X, Y, and the last is Z. X, Y, and Z. Now we got all the alphabet. In this section we will repeat all the alphabet, but I will do it first. You have to listen to me carefully and try this exercise at your own. Écoutez-moi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now it's your turn. Bravo! I think enough for today's video. I hope you learned something new about français. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Thank you very much and see you soon with next video.